Okay, welcome everyone. It's Irvin here, team with Irvin. Welcome to another week. We are gonna be doing our pre-week analysis. This is gonna be for May 4 to May 8, 2020. Make sure if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the bell notification below. So in order for you to see tomorrow full analysis, where we're gonna be analyzing the full week of May 4 to the 8th, you better subscribe. Other than that, I feel sorry for you. All right. So just to give you a quick disclaimer, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. That's why we're coming here to make a change, and hopefully you can help us out to collect those hundreds of pips. All right. So make sure also you also download your FX Hours, or it's very unique app that you're gonna be downloaded on your phone. It's gonna be giving you an option of how to read the London, New York session, New York, Frankfurt, Tokyo, even Sydney. So it's pretty an amazing one, and another app that I think everyone needs to download it no matter what you do on Forex is my FX Hours. Everything I'm gonna be able to tell you this week, remember, this is the pre-week analysis, right? This is for May 4 to May 8, 2020. This is the very first week. And then we're going to go on Saturday, we're going to be celebrating Cinco de Mayo, right? With a lot of profit on our packet. So if you want to make money, make sure you subscribe so you can get to see tomorrow's video. Tomorrow, which is going to be May 3rd, 2020. All right, so make sure you hit that bell notification below, and we are gonna start. Remember, this is for May 4 to May 8, 2020. We are gonna be analyzing gold. We are gonna be analyzing USDC CHF. We are also gonna analyze Euro NCD and Euro USD. So we are gonna be giving you 4 different pairs on this pre-week analysis, and hopefully all this makes sense. All right, so make sure if you have not subscribed, you also hit the bell notification below, because that is how I'm gonna be able to help you. All right, let's go ahead and start with gold. Pay attention what gold is doing. We are here on 4 hours, guys. I always talk about 4 hours. 4 hours is one of my biggest strength on how I'm going to analyze the market in a professional matters. All right, so pay attention here. Let me kind of like give you a circle where box where our 4 hours is located. Look at there is 4 hours. It tell you the pair as well, the time frame that I'm using, which is H4, and pay attention what this market is doing here. First of all, let me type it here. So we are gonna start on the right hand side. Triple arrow here is on our side, guys. Triple arrow is on our side. It's 100% bearish. There's nothing else doing here. Still 100% bearish. Let me write it down. 100% bearish. All right. So market is not doing anything else. Still 100% bearish. There is no indication of pullback. Nothing like that. If you pay attention, pretty much it's creating like a head and shoulder. But I don't care about that. My job is to make sure I grab that. But what I'm saying, there is 100% bearish. That should be the question, right? Pay attention what triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is giving us a bearish market. It's doing exactly what I told you. So this coming week on May, May 1st to, May 4 to May 8, 2020, the market is gonna give us a bearish continuation of the market. So, and then market is gonna come back and retest our mid 38 Fibonacci line. From there, the market is gonna do a small pullback, retesting the AA line. Then the market will drop down to our 38.2 Fibonacci line. That's where you are gonna be coming on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna be analyzing this pair together as a team, and you are gonna be judging me. Last Wednesday, when we did our live session, out of 14 pairs, only 4 pairs went against us. It's a damn pretty good number, guys. But remember, this is the 7 week no, 9 week already, and we lost only so far in 9 week only 6 pairs, so it's still then pretty good number. So I don't know if you're getting somewhere else the same result, but triple arrow is kicking butt, to be honest. If you have not grabbed our triple arrow system, make sure you hit that link below where we are gonna be giving you $20 cash back. Anyway, the system is cheap already, but we are gonna be giving you those $20, so just as appreciation. And this is gonna, hopefully it's gonna go all the way to May 5th to Cinco de Mayo. All right, so make sure you take a look at it to our triple arrow system, so in case you want to improve your AA game. If you don't, it's fine with us too. So either way, it's fine. If you want to join, it's fine. If not, it's fine too, because we are not hungry to let you see come. I mean, yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. All right. So, do you guys have any question? Any question, guys? If you don't have any question, we are gonna move to our next pair. Pay attention on Euro NCD. I love to use 4 hours. There is your 4 hours time frame. I always gonna be highlighting that because I think it's very important for you to see it. Look at what the triple arrow is doing here. Market is giving us a triple arrow on 4 hours. Market is paying us exactly what the triple arrow is telling us. And remember one thing, guys. Look at here. Actually, let me move on. So what we're gonna be seeing for right now is retesting your 38.2 Fibonacci line. So what it's gonna do is gonna come back and retest our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line, and from that particular area, the market will continue bullish. All right, we're gonna come back on Wednesday. We're gonna Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna be analyzing the pair with you live. So make sure you hit that bell notification if you want to see tomorrow's video as well. All right, so hopefully you do that. If not, that's fine too. So, and all I'm gonna ask you guys is to do us a big favor. It's a very straightforward favor that we're gonna be asking you. But if you are finding value on our video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. If you think this is not working for you, or give us a thumbs down. Either way works fine with us. We just want to help you out as much as we can. All right, so that's all we're gonna be asking you to do. Oh, another thing is, another thing you can do too. If you want to write comments, tell us what video we should make for you. We want to help you out to make hundreds and hundreds of pips. That's what we're here for. All right. It doesn't matter what other people think. Triple arrow is the best system. And our office, like I always said, is creating a brand new triple arrow behind scene where it's gonna make your life simple, easy, straightforward, but they're still working behind scenes. So you will be amazed. All right. So you will get a free license of that once you become a part of our triple arrow system. The link is below if you want to do that. If not, again, like I said, doesn't matter. All right, so hopefully all this matter here. So we got looking for a small pullback, and then the market will continue up. That's what my opinion is on Euro NCD. You guys trading Euro CHF? If not, well, here it is. I'm gonna give you a shout out to this one. What we're looking for this coming week is we're looking for 1 or 2 more candles to come back and retest our 38, our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, the market will call up as bullish. You will come on Wednesday at 6 p.m. where you will judge me and tell me, Irvin, you were right. Irvin, no, this whatever you think is okay then. Or what I'm gonna do on Tuesday, if you want, I'm gonna come back and make a video of these 3 pairs and give it back to you, and then we can come back on Wednesday and redo it again. So kind of like giving you a second lookout on what these pairs are doing. But remember, guys, these are not signals. We do have our signal program in our chat room, so you can join those or do whatever you want. All I'm doing here is only giving you an analysis and an opinion. This is only for educational purpose, so you can go back to your triple arrow and analyze the same thing if it makes sense. Well, if not, My private Telegram link is below. All you have to do is send me a message, and then we can wrestle this together in the back end. All right, so that's all I'm asking you. All right, so we are gonna move to our next pair of the night. Well, pay attention to this pair here. We are watching here Euro NCD. Pay attention to this pair, guys. Pay attention. Look at what the triple arrow is giving us. Triple arrow be giving us a bullish market for a very, very, very long time. If you pay attention there, the market be giving us a bullish market since March 23, 2020. And we are on what? May 4, 2020. So market be giving, oh yeah, market is going sideways, but at the end of the day, market is still in a bullish trend. So what is my opinion for this coming week, for the May 1st to the 8th? What I'm expecting to see, to be honest, in here is a continuation of the trend to still go bullish and retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, we are looking for what? For a small what? What do you think it's gonna do? Well, let me write it down, because some of you love to see this writing. Well, for some reason you like this. So it's gonna give us a pullback. Then the market is gonna come back and retest from that particular area. We'll retest, like I said, we'll retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line, and then what else? Remember, what did I say early? Market is what? Market is a bullish market. So from this particular area, market will go up as expected, because at the end of the day, the market is bullish. I don't know if you guys have any opinion on this. If so, make sure you let us know. Make sure you give us a comment, do whatever you want. But this is what I'm gonna be giving you for this week. Remember, we are analyzing only 4 pairs this week. We're analyzing gold, Euro NCD, USD CHF, and Euro USD. All right. So, do you guys have any question? Any question, guys? Because I'm here live with you. I'm watching you. I'm reading your question, and I'm here to answer you any of your doubt. Do you guys have any question? If you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Guess what I'm gonna do next? Well, it's time for me to go home.